Alam mo ba ang reality about savings? Savings is not actually connected to your income, gaano man yan kaliit or laki. Kung hindi mo kayang mag-ipon while maliit pa ang sweldo mo, mas mahihirapan kang mag-ipon kung lalaki na ang sweldo mo. Kasi savings is a habit that you build. Kaya kapatid, start saving a portion of your income. Start saving small amounts and make it a discipline. And as you go along the way, palakihin mo ng palakihin ang savings mo. At the end of the day, ikaw at ikaw lang din ang makikinabang sa perang na impok mo. Kaya kapatid, start saving a portion of your income today. See you on my next video.